Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. As you already know that I am doing this festive series and I've done my hair coloring videos, skincare and hair care videos, festive makeup and all. And what's left? Yes, festive shopping. So today I'm sharing my Nykaa haul with you. I've ordered some makeup products for this festive season, and this is my first purchase from Nykaa, and I'm very satisfied with the quality of each and every product. Let me know your shopping experience with Nykaa in comment sections, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. By the way, if you're wondering how I created this makeup look, I've added video in iCards and description. Please check it. This is a festive makeup look which I created for this festive season, and the link is in iCards and description. So this is my first item which I have ordered from Nykaa, and this is a Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette. I have always wanted a small eyeshadow palette because all my eyeshadow palettes are very big and it is very difficult for me to carry those big eyeshadow palettes when I am traveling. And particularly for setting my eyebrows, I need a black eyeshadow, but I don't have a eyebrow kit. I need a small eyeshadow palette like this with a black eyeshadow, so I've got this. All the shades are very pretty and it got 8 colors, and let me show you the pigmentation. Look at the pigmentation, they are so pigmented, and these are all shimmer shades. Look at the pigmentation. The reason for selecting this palette is for this black eyeshadow. I thought that this is a matte eyeshadow, but no, it is a glitter eyeshadow. It has some glitters in it, but no problem, I love this shade. So now I can easily carry this eyeshadow palette when I am traveling. And the cost of this palette is 229 rupees. On an offer I got it for 195 rupees. And my next item is this Maybelline Kajal. I always use Maybelline Kajal because they are smudge proof and they are really black. So look at the pigmentation here. I already completed these two Maybelline Kajal. So as I said, I use only Maybelline Kajals. It is easy to carry and easy to apply, easy to handle. So I love this Maybelline Kajals, and the cost of this Maybelline Kajal is 180 rupees, but I have got it for 162 rupees. So the next item I have ordered from Nykaa is this Pearl Illuminator makeup base. So we can use this as a highlighter, or we can just mix it with our foundation and apply to get a dewy kind of makeup look. If you want to look like you're glowing naturally and your skin is glowing naturally, then you can apply this illuminator or highlighter. So my shade here is 02, which means silver pink. There are 2 or 3 shades available. Look at the pigmentation. So this is how it looks. So it blends very easily and it is very lightweight, and it has a light creamy texture, and it has a bit of shimmers in it. And the cost of this Swiss Beauty makeup illuminator is 249 rupees, but on an offer I have got it for 220 rupees. The next item I have ordered from Nykaa is this Lakme Absolute Compact Powder. So it is a very lightweight compact powder, and it is an oil-free compact powder. So there are 3 shades available, and mine is shade 1 Classic Ivory. For medium skin tone, you can go for Golden Sand shade. For dark skin tone, you can go for Beige Honey. For the fair skin tone people, they can definitely go for this Classic Ivory shade 1. it sets lightly on your skin, and it has SPF 17 which protects your skin from the harsh effects of sun, and it stays 14 hours on your skin. So the cost of this Lakme Absolute Compact Powder is 185 rupees, but on an offer again I've got it for 150 rupees. And the next item I've ordered from Nykaa is this shimmer eyeshadow, sorry, glitter eyeshadow. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is a single eyeshadow which has glitters in it. You know, I've ordered that glittering palette which I gave review and demo about that glittering palette, but I'm not satisfied with that glittering palette because they have glitters only on the top, but there are no glitters on the bottom. Like there is only gum on the bottom, but it has pressed glitters. The cost of this small glitter eyeshadow is 139 rupees, and now I don't have any offer for this. I've got it for 135 rupees. It looks so cute, and you can easily carry this single eyeshadow. If you are like me who is obsessed about glitters, we definitely need a silver and a gold glitter. Silver and gold will go for any makeup. It lasts longer and blends really so well, and they are so smooth in texture. And the next item I've ordered from Nykaa is this Beauty Professional blusher, and the cost of this blush is 249 rupees, and I've got it for 237 rupees. And there are so many shades available, and I think there are 12 shades available. Mine is this pink one. I've created this look using this blush, but it makes difference. Remember, when you apply any blush, a very little is more than enough. It has a buildable formula, like once you apply it, and if you are not satisfied with the pigmentation, you can apply it again. So like this. And as I said, it has chunky glitters in it. If you don't want glitters on your blush, then don't go for it. But if you want glitters on your blush, you can go for it. But I don't want glitters on my blush. I need a matte blush, but I don't know that it has glitters in it. It is quite soft and it blends really well. And the next item I have ordered from Nykaa is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. As you all know that I have a small Maybelline Fit Me foundation. After using it so many times, then I have decided that I need a bigger one. So here I have. You know, the cost of this foundation is 549 rupees, but on an offer I've got it for 350 rupees, so that is a huge difference. But on an offer I've got it for 357 rupees, and my shade is 115 ivory. It is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and there are 18 shades available in Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, which suits for every Indian skin tone. So as I said, it is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. After applying this, it shows no difference. It doesn't look like it is not my shade. This is the problem when you order foundations online. You should know your shade correctly and then go for it and order. Otherwise you end up like this, 1 shade or 2 shades lighter, or 1 shade or 2 shades darker, something like that. But when you are ordering foundation or concealer online, make sure that you know the perfect shade of your skin tone and then order. It gives you very natural finish, and you know, it has pump in it. So for 550 rupees you're getting pump here for this. I have MAC foundation which is 3000 rupees, but I didn't get pump like this, but it is 550 rupees. It has pump in it. I'm quite impressed. It blends really nice and it gives you matte finish. And it is also a lightweight foundation and I love Maybelline foundation. And the next item I have ordered from Nykaa is this conditioner. Yes, I use only Pantene conditioner and shampoo. My conditioner is almost completed, so I've ordered this Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution conditioner, and I'm using Pantene from more than 4 years, and I don't want to change my shampoos, so it works really well for my hair. And my hair looks so smooth, soft after applying this Pantene conditioner. And the quantity of this conditioner is 100 ml and the cost of this conditioner is 90 rupees, and this time I don't get any offer, so I've got it for 90 rupees. And the last item I've got from Nykaa is this small mini cute eyeshadow palette. You know, this is an eyeshadow palette. So I've ordered almost 3 items from Swiss Beauty, so I've got it for free. And look at this, how cute eyeshadow it is. This is the smallest eyeshadow palette it got only 4 colors in it. All the shades are shimmer. Look at the pigmentation. Yes, they're quite pigmented. I can use this white shade for highlighting our brow bone and inner corners palette. And this is my cute eyeshadow palette. And this is my cute eyeshadow palette. And this is a mini eyeshadow palette. No, it is a micro eyeshadow palette. Like, it is really small. I have never seen an eyeshadow palette in this size. I love this eyeshadow palette. And after getting this, I felt very happy that, yeah, of course, if you're getting anything for free, you will obviously feel happy, right? So I felt very happy after getting this free product. So yeah, that's it. These are the items I have got from Nykaa, and let me know which one is your favorite. Mine is that micro eyeshadow palette because I've got it for free. I hope you all like this video. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and comment your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.